Karthik fills out a loan application form on his laptop when his friend Avinash walks in with some papers and asks him to check them. Karthik asks him to wait for a moment as he was applying for a personal loan. A surprised Avinash asks why was he doing it again. He had filed one just a few days ago. How much loan does he need? Karthik says that he needs only one loan, but he needs it quickly. That's why he was applying in 5 to 6 banks so that he gets it sooner. But Avinash tells him that this would harm his credit score. This surprised Karthik.
Karthik had repeatedly applied to different banks for a personal loan. This is a bad financial habit. Why is that? Well, you might think that your chances will be high if you apply with different banks, but when the bank checks your inquiries, you might get into trouble because of this habit.
As soon as Karthik applies for a loan, the bank won't straight away approve it. Instead, the bank will first check his credit report with the credit bureau. This will be recorded on Karthik's credit report. It will go on as a hard inquiry. Through credit reports, banks assess loan eligibility and track record of previous loans that the borrower had taken. The bank also accesses borrower's loan repayment capacity. Karthik applying to 5 banks means his credit report will have 5 hard inquiries against his name. According to the Experian Credit Bureau's website, each hard inquiry can potentially decrease your credit score typically by less than 5 points. A hard inquiry continues to be a part of your credit report for up to 2 years. It is factored in computation of your credit score of about next 1 year. Applying with multiple banks for a loan simultaneously can result in more hard inquiries. It leads to a lower credit score. Different banks look at your hard inquiries differently, and it influences banks' loan approval decisions.
लोग मल्टीपल इंक्वायरीज करते हैं, मल्टीपल जगह पे अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स देते हैं. इसे कहते हैं कि ह्यूमन बिहेवियर. जब कोई अर्जेंट लोन की जरूरत होती है, वो पैनिक कर जाते हैं, वो अपने लोन कोई एसोसिएट्स को दे देते हैं, जो एसोसिएट्स 6 से 8 बैंकों में या एनबीएफसीज में या फिनटेक्स में अप्लाई कर देते हैं. इसके लिए क्या होता है कि उसमें बहुत सारी इंक्वायरीज जनरेट हो जाती है. आपको इसे बचना चाहिए क्योंकि इंक्वायरीज ज्यादा जनरेट होने से देयर आर 2 इश्यूज. एक तो आपकी लोन रिजेक्शन होने का चांसेस रहेगा क्योंकि जो इंस्टीट्यूशन के पास आपका जो लोन गया है उनका ये सोचना रहेगा कि आप मल्टीपल लोन्स लेने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो ये एक इम्पोर्टेंस है. और दूसरा, ये आपकी जो स्कोर है, चाहे सिविल हो, चाहे एक्सपीरियन हो, चाहे इक्विफैक्स हो, वो स्कोर्स को आपको अफेक्ट करता है.
In some cases, individuals engage in rate shopping, applying to multiple banks to secure the best deal. According to Experian and Equifax, you may get some leniency on rate shopping, especially for certain types of loans. For secured loans like car or home loans, multiple loan applications within a short time frame of 14 to 45 days might be treated as a single inquiry. For example, when you apply to different banks for a home loan within a 14-day period, multiple inquiries might be considered as a single inquiry and it will minimize the impact on your credit score. However, all hard inquiries will still be mentioned in your credit report, and these considerations typically don't apply to other types of loans like credit cards or personal loans.
In a short time, multiple hard inquiries reflect your credit hunger behavior. It indicates that you are in a dire need of a loan. This suggests that your expenses exceed necessities, leading to a potential requirement of a loan. Banks view such customers as risky, fearing a drain on their funds. In such situations, banks might reject loan applications or charge even higher interest rates.
उसमें इम्पोर्टेंस ये है कि आप पहले एक रिसर्च कर लीजिए. रिसर्च में आप आज के डेट में ऑनलाइन जाइए, आपके पास सब पोर्टल से आप चेक कर सकते हैं कि भाई मेरी जो आज की इनकम है उस हिसाब से मुझे कितनी लोन मिलेगी. अगर आप सेटिस्फाइड हो जाएंगे कि ये बैंक से मुझे ये लोन मिल सकती है, आप उसी बैंक में जाके आप अप्लाई कीजिए, आपका केवाईसी और इनकम डॉक्यूमेंट दीजिए. और एक चीज की आपको याद रखनी पड़ेगी, जब आप डॉक्यूमेंट्स देंगे आपको प्लीज उसमें मेंशन करनी चाहिए कि आई एम गिविंग माय डॉक्यूमेंट्स या केवाईसी फॉर सच एंड सच लोन पर्पस टू सच एंड सच इंस्टीट्यूशन. उसमें प्लीज मेंशन कीजिएगा. इससे एक होगा कि इसमें जो अगर आपके हिसाब से अगर कोई फ्रॉड करने की कोशिश करेगा या आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स को यूज करने की कोशिश करेगा, इसमें मिनिमाइजेशन हो जाएगा.
Besides hard inquiries, there's soft inquiry as well. When you check your credit score, it is considered as a soft inquiry. Banks, insurance companies, or employers conducting background checks also use soft inquiries. It doesn't impact your credit score like hard inquiries. This is because it is not linked to your loan or credit card applications.
Avoid applying for loans in different banks simultaneously, especially when your credit score is bad. This can worsen your credit score and it will make it challenging for you to secure a loan for an extended period. If your credit score is 500, which is considered poor, and you apply to 5 different banks, each inquiry could lower your score, believe me or not, by 4 points. It will leave you with a diminished chance of obtaining a loan at 480 points.